It's Friday, guys. Time for the end of the week wrap up. We got the frame for the 69 COE started. It's all 2x6 square tubing. Use little round tubing crossovers. Just basic start, mock-up on it. We have the 71 convertible here. All the body work is completed and fit for paint. This will go in the booth on Monday, and we'll get this one wrapped up and painted next week. We got Frank's car up here. We have the pillar posts put in. All of the ugly cut out of there, all the rotted panels that were there, and put in some new pieces. Same on the other side. Got this post done as well. So this will be moving along next week. We'll get quarters and doors on it. And Chris and Tina brought us in their 66, and we're gonna get started with the 3/4 panel and probably back half this one. A little tubular suspension, and go a little further from that. But at this point, that's where we're at. We have John Mazzarella's 33 Willys. A little damage in the front fender here. I'm gonna make some braces for the fenders to get them a little more stable and do a little bit of paint work. And as usual, guys, have a nice weekend, be safe, and we'll see you next week.